Hi there.
What to do with an overgrown broccoli? I like to cook it with the stock, so nothing goes to waste.
Let's make an awesome broccoli sabzi, Indian style. Cooked with curd and spices, it tastes delicious. You'll be able to enjoy this simple recipe with any meal. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates?
Cut it along with the stalk. Then trim the stalk slightly. And if it's a very large piece, break it into smaller pieces. If the stalk is too thick, feel free to slice it. That will help to cook it. Once that is done, I'll add salt to some boiling hot water. Add in the broccoli and blanch them. Once the water comes to a rolling boil, take out the broccoli. Make sure to drain out the water. This is 2.5 tablespoons of dahi or curd, and I'll add in some dry spices, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi, about half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, you could add in more, 1 heaped teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of grated garlic, a teaspoon of mustard oil, mix well. Get the broccolis into a large bowl, and I'll use some of the dahi, the yogurt spice mix to marinate the broccoli pieces. Say about half of it. Leave it aside. So in a pan, I've added in about a tablespoon of mustard oil. I'm using a non-stick pan. Let that heat up. Then add in the broccoli pieces. Marinate them for at least 20 minutes. Once all the pieces are in, put the heat to medium, cover it and let it cook. In the meantime, heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in another pan. So I like to cook them side by side. Temper it with a bit of cumin seeds. 2 onions sliced thinly. Season with a bit of salt and cook till the onions become soft. Let's check the broccoli. Look at the color on them. Once they have all been flipped over, cover, lower the heat to medium or low and keep cooking till they are done. The onions have a nice color to them and have become soft. So let's add in fresh tomato paste, about half a cup. Cook till the oil separates. That's good. Lower the heat. Add in the rest of the yogurt spice mix. And this also has the ginger garlic paste. Cook, stirring continuously on absolutely low heat. You can't stop here. So I'm going to cook this stirring continuously until the oil starts separating. The curd is cooked and I'll add in a bit of water. This would be about 3/4 cups of water. So I cooked it for about 2 minutes on low heat. Time to season it. Salt to taste and a bit of sugar, half a teaspoon. The gravy is ready. And it's nicely charred on both sides. I'll add in the gravy.
If you like the video, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section.
Make sure that all the pieces are coated with the gravy. Once that's done, fit them in, cover and cook till the stalks of the broccoli pieces are done. So I let that cook for about 3 minutes and let's check on it. I want to check the stalk. The knife goes in smoothly. That's done. That's done. A pinch of garam masala, a pinch of kasuri methi powder. Mix it one more time.
I like it dry, but you could keep a little gravy if you want.
And that is ready. Sprinkle some chopped coriander on top.
Serve it hot with rice or bread, or even as a starter. Enjoy!